Welcome to Webstyle Plus, a very important update from OpenAI and ChatGPT. In a recent update, OpenAI announced that they are discontinuing ChatGPT plugins to move towards GPTs. As of March 19, 2024, the creation of new conversations utilizing plugins will be disabled, with the ability to continue existing plugin conversations extending only until April 9, 2024. So, this is a grace period for users and developers to adjust to the new ecosystem. During the beta phase, the plugin store hosted over 1,000 plugins. GPT Store has also rapidly expanded to feature thousands of GPTs, signifying a vast leap forward in the availability and diversity of AI powered tools. Now, OpenAI thinks that GPTs can fully replace ChatGPT plugins and do more. So, if you were using a ChatGPT plugin, that plugin won't be available after mentioned period. But the GPT Store has a search functionality that enables users to easily find GPTs that match or exceed the functionalities of their previously used plugins. So when your favorite ChatGPT plugin gets removed, you can still explore GPTs, search for relevant GPT and use it. For example, in the case of plugins, I was using this plugin, Wolfram, to solve math problems. Now, if I go to GPTs, same plugin Wolfram is listed here. So it does not matter if your favorite ChatGPT plugin is removed, search it in GPT's section and you will find it, or the GPT that can do the same task that you used to do using a ChatGPT plugin. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.